the finish, the battle has already been won. Underneath His holy sun, coming down on the clouds of heaven, being the mighty King. Oh, He, the Alpha and Omega, beginning and last. Victory is near, thanks to His Spirit, lifted praise to You. Oh, our Father in heaven, Your voice like pounding of drums rippling through the sky. Amazing are You, the great I Am. Holy, holy, holy be Your name. Your kingdom will be on earth as it is in heaven. Race to the finish, preparations are made. Your house many mansions for us. Satan quivering, let Your kingdom come. Your will be done. Almighty three in one, glorify Your Son. Oh, here, seated at Your right hand, in the royal courtroom with many thrones, the Creator of heaven and earth, of our mighty dome. When You parted the waters, when You made creation, the mighty wonders and works of Your hands, I'll put faith in the Word who became a man, who never ceased being God, waiting for Your return. Ignite